Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. Our program is about to begin.
Welcome to the conference. We have a great event in store for you. Over the next 3 days, you will have the ability to meet with your project directors and VAI experts to review your current projects and discuss your technology requirements. We have over 50 educational classes this year for you to attend. Then these sessions will help you extend your knowledge of the entire S2K suite. We will also have live Ask the Expert sessions where you can get answers to your most pressing questions. Tomorrow morning, don't miss our keynote speaker, Scott McCain, who is an internationally known distinction expert, best-selling author, and iconic keynote speaker. Scott will be discussing what are customers looking for in a pandemic, post-pandemic economy, and how do you stand out in a virtual environment when many organizations seem adrift in a sea of sameness. On Friday's general session, we're very excited to share with you interviews we've conducted with some VAI customers about their experiences during the pandemic. Hear about their impressive achievements and how S2K has helped to reshape their businesses in compelling and inspiring ways, setting them up for future success in a very unique year. Speaking of customer success, this year marks our 25th anniversary of the VAI Customer Conference. We had our first conference 25 years ago in Orlando, and we had planned on celebrating this milestone back in Orlando at the Grand Floridian Resort in Walt Disney World. But to prioritize the health and safety of our customers, this year's conference will be virtual for the very first time. Over the years, the VAI conference has been a key strategic event for VAI in helping us shape the future direction of our products. Your industry expertise has played a vital part in this development of our S2K application suite, and the conference has always been a time for us to present our latest development and to get the valuable feedback from you to develop applications that will make real and measurable improvements to your business. I want to thank our advisory council members for the extra time they spend with us in shaping our products. Most of our development comes from your ideas and industry expertise and your requirements. During these events, we've always had time for some fun, whether it be the excitement of the Indiana Jones experience, cruising down the Mississippi in a historic paddle boat, marching down the streets of New Orleans, or riding the bull and dancing the night away in Nashville. We truly enjoy kicking back with you at our customer appreciation events, and we will surely miss that this year. What has come out of all these years working together is some great technology that's become invaluable to our customers during these trying times. In today's world of heightened risk, business continuity plans are essential for companies to be resilient. Technology plays a key role in helping businesses quickly adapt to disruptions while maintaining continuous business operations and safeguarding people and assets. VAI's ERP solutions provide a solid foundation for business resiliency by leveraging cloud, mobile, analytics, and web applications to automate and improve business processes, reduce costs, and enhance customer interactions. The advanced technology that we will be showing you has resulted in some incredible ROI for our customers. We have customers that have moved to the cloud and they have experienced the reliability, scalability, and security the cloud provides. We have customers using mobile technology to allow sales reps to take orders from their customers anytime, any place they need to. We have customers using mobile technology to fill orders directly from their trucks and generate invoices at the point of customer contact. We have customers taking advantage of the low-cost mobile devices in their warehouse to reduce errors, improve efficiency, and improve customer service. And we have customers integrating advanced voice technology in their warehouse to reduce training times and expedite the picking process. We have customers rolling out our S2K Salesforce CRM solution to improve their sales processes and make the most of their sales opportunities. We have customers launching incredible business-to-business and business-to-consumer websites where they're allowing customers to place orders, view the status of orders, and pay their bills directly online. We have customers leveraging the advanced formulas in our supply and demand planning system to reduce inventory with increased customer fill rates. And we have customers using analytics to leverage ERP data to analyze opportunities and trends, communicate goals consistently with their employees, and monitor the company's performance. One of the most important technologies to emerge has been cloud computing. Today, businesses are diligently setting up their workforce to work remotely, and they need to do this quickly. And moving to the cloud has become a necessity for many businesses. It allows employees to easily work remotely and frees up internal technical resources in having to implement, monitor, and support this environment. In addition, it provides the infrastructure every business will need for leveraging other critical applications such as e-business customer portals, mobile applications, and remote collaboration tools. With our rapid migration tool, we can help your business seamlessly move to the cloud and give your company safe, secure, and reliable access to the systems and data they need, wherever they're located. And recently, VAI has moved into a new world-class data center, which has invested millions of dollars to enhance the sophisticated infrastructure, high availability, and disaster recovery capabilities for our customers. Your IT systems are the foundation of your business, and you need 24/7 availability. Any downtime can lead to business disruptions, lost revenue, and unhappy customers. Thus, the cloud has become a vital tool for today's modern businesses. At this conference, VI is proud to announce S2K Release 6.2. This exciting new release not only adds dynamic new features and functions to our product line, but it offers tighter integrations across our entire product suite. During these unprecedented times, solutions like mobile, analytics, e-commerce, CRM, and marketing automation have become imperative for survival. With S2K Release 6.2, we have enhanced the end-to-end capabilities of our solution, giving our customers an all-in-one solution for their core IT requirements. But we didn't stop there. We have also expanded our API capabilities and integrations with our alliance partners to offer additional connectivity to third-party solution providers. To provide you with an in-depth overview of all that we have to offer in this new release, I'm going to hand things over to Joe Ciacia, our VP of Sales, who will highlight some of the new enhancements across our entire product suite and review with you the critical applications every business needs to prevail in the new normal. Thank you for attending Prevail 2020.
Thank you, Bob. I'm excited to share with you some of the new features and capabilities in S2K Release 6.2. But before I begin, I want to announce the new on-cloud branding of our ERP product suite. This branding shows our continued commitment to cloud architecture and the shift that we see in the marketplace to running ERP in the cloud. You will see the new cloud logo throughout all of our S2K product suite. VAI has been hard at work enhancing and adding new capabilities to all of our products. Some of these new enhancements include the continued development and improvement of our own S2K Salesforce CRM application that now includes tighter integration with S2K Marketing Cloud and our e-business application. We've completely updated our mobile application, specifically order entry and warehouse management apps, where we have improved the online and offline capabilities and have redesigned the screens, adding new features and functions. We have added new features to our supply and demand planning suite to help customers improve inventory management and enhance customer service. We've added a slew of new dashboards and custom reports to our S2K Analytics application and have enhanced our S2K Health Check dashboards and Financial Management Report Writer. With S2K Release 6.2, we have also updated our ERP suite with a whole new look, enhancing the color scheme and making our screens more user-friendly. We've also redesigned our retail point of sale application to streamline the order entry process, adding item images and easy touchscreen navigation and easy access to customer and item information. We have also added many new features to the S2K Manufacturing application suite in both hard goods and S2K for food. In hard goods, we've redesigned the work order entry screen to provide more information and easy access to critical manufacturing data. In S2K for food, we have greatly enhanced the recipe file, allowing users to easily build recipes and have the system automatically convert those formulas into stocking units for easy inventory management. In addition to all these new capabilities, VAI has tightened up the end-to-end integration between our product suite, providing our customers with an all-in-one solution for their core business requirements. By having all these applications as part of your core ERP suite, it eliminates complexity, integration costs, and provides our customers with effective and practical applications that deliver bottom-line results. Not to mention a total solution that's easier to support and maintain. During the breakout sessions, you will be able to deep dive into many of these application enhancements and see these new features and functions firsthand. But for this main 10 session, I wanted to highlight some of the critical applications that your company should be implementing to help you prevail in this new normal. The first area I want to cover is customer service. In today's new normal, many of the face-to-face processes of the past have become obsolete. When you look at servicing your customers, the following questions may arise. How are you accepting customer orders? How are you processing customer returns? How are you getting customers their invoices? How are customers paying their bills? How can customers quickly get their questions answered anytime, anywhere they may be located? And how do I grow my business with less face-to-face interactions? To provide answers to those questions, VAI offers 3 must-have applications: S2K Salesforce CRM, S2K eBusiness, and S2K Marketing Cloud that can help you enhance customer service, improve efficiencies, and help you grow your business with less face-to-face interactions. In S2K Release 6.2, these applications are tightly integrated to help you create a resilient customer service and sales organization. So what do I mean when I say a resilient customer service and sales organization? Basically, I mean creating a self-sufficient process that allows customers to serve themselves electronically, and a sales organization that can nurture and develop sales opportunities while you sleep. Let's take a look at how these applications can help. The first application is S2K eBusiness. And when it comes to customer self-service, this is a critical application that every business, regardless of size and industry, must have. The S2K eBusiness portal provides business-to-business and business-to-consumer e-commerce and provides tight integration with the S2K ERP back office. What we mean by that is if you add an item to the back office, it is now available on your website. If you change prices, it's available on the website. In fact, all your pricing routines are accessed from the portal, so if you have complex pricing, it's available both in the back office and in the eBusiness portal. The other nice thing about the eBusiness portal is the customer self-service features. These allow your customers to sign on and check the status of an order, look up an accounts receivable invoice, pay their bills. And what's great about the customer self-service capabilities is that you can add these to your existing website. So let's say you have a website or an e-commerce site from a third-party vendor. You can add just the customer self-service to that website so that you can allow your customers to do some of these customer self-service capabilities. Let's take a look at the eBusiness portal. So the first page here is your main page. The eBusiness portal has a complete content management system that allows you to design a very, very professional looking website. And you'll notice on the right-hand corner, there is a login. So your customers can log in. If they don't have an account with you, they can even request a login, and they can do that right off of the main page here. Once they log in, the eBusiness page is basically, very common to most eBusiness pages. You're going to display products by category. They can do a lot of different searching to find products and compare products. But what I want to concentrate on here is the customer self-service capabilities. So in the customer self-service capabilities, your customers can sign on and they can look up an order. They can look up an invoice. They can build supply lists. They can pay their bills. So these are some of the things that they can do right from the customer self-service screen. So let's take a look at this. This is a sample of the customer order page where customers can look up orders. They could also look up invoices. If they want to get a copy of the bill, they can just export it out to a PDF and they can print their own copies of invoices or even proof of deliveries. Okay? If they want to pay a bill, they can go to the accounts receivable screen where they can choose the invoices that they want to pay. And after they choose the invoices they want to pay, they can check out and they can choose to pay that balance with a credit card or through an ACH transaction. What's new about the e-commerce module is the marketing integration. Well, marketing integration allows you to provide digital messages to customers. That can be directly on the e-commerce page, or it can be an email that you send automatically based on their behavior. So as an example, if I was on the e-business page and I wanted to pop up a digital message, it might look like this, where I'm telling a new customer, hey, you're new to buying online, receive a 20% off coupon today and get an access code, via email. So this is a nice capability that we have in here, and it's integrated with the S2K Marketing Cloud. So that message is an S2K Marketing Cloud message. And what would happen is S2K Marketing Cloud would automatically send that customer an email, okay, with a coupon code that they can process through the e-business module. Okay? And what's nice about the Marketing Cloud is you can develop and design very nice automated emails that look very professional that are sent to your customers.
For all of you playing our digital adventure game, the code for this session is Orlando. The code is Orlando. Good luck to all our players.
Another example of marketing automation might be a new product announcement, where you want to use the S2K Marketing Cloud to deliver an announcement that you're selling a new product. Okay? And what happens in marketing automation is it eliminates the need for you to constantly send out emails based on the customer's behavior. So as an example, if you send out the email about a new product, if the customer doesn't open it, you can automatically send them out another email, maybe explaining the benefits of the product again. If they do open it, then the marketing automation tool can look to see if the customer bought the product. If they did, maybe you send them an automated email on an upsell product or a complementary product. If they didn't buy, maybe you send them more information on the benefits of the product. Okay? And you can create this automated map, if you would, of exactly how you want to interact with their customer based on their behavior. Okay, so let's take a look at S2K Marketing Cloud and see how you would set something like this up. So let's sign on to the S2K Marketing Cloud and see how you can set up this process. You will see that in the S2K Marketing Cloud, we've totally integrated the contacts from the S2K Salesforce system. So all the contacts now show up here in S2K Marketing Cloud automatically. So you'll have all the names, all the addresses right here in the Marketing Cloud system. Okay? Also, as people register through other avenues, the names that you collect in the S2K Marketing Cloud will also sync back to the S2K Salesforce application. From the S2K Marketing Cloud, to create a new campaign, simply click on Create a New Campaign. From here, the system will allow you to give the campaign a name and select an email blast. You can then segment your contact list by geography or territory, or by any of the tags that you've added to the contact management system. Once you've segmented your list, you can then create a nice visual campaign that you will send out to all your customers. So you can see here the HTML capabilities of the campaign allows you to create a very graphical and professional email that you're sending out to your customers. One of the nice things you can do in S2K Marketing Cloud is set up a marketing automation. And what this can do is it can automatically send out emails or notices based on customer or prospect behavior. So you can see here that I'm setting up a notification that says, if the customer buys, I'd like to do this. If they don't buy, I'd like to do this. And one of the things that you'll notice is that at the end, one of the actions that the marketing automation can be is notifying the sales rep. Okay? So at any time during the sales process or the time that they're interacting with you, you can say, I want to notify the sales representative. And that's going to automatically send a to-do to the S2K Salesforce application. So let's take a look at that. So you can see here that I'm just giving you an example of a sales rep using their phone to access the S2K CRM system. Okay? And you'll notice that on the left-hand side, the customer is getting a notification, an SMS notification, that they have a new to-do. And then when the sales rep clicks on it, he's going to be notified that you want them to call the prospect or customer based on something they did in Marketing Cloud. So this is a great integration that we offer between S2K Marketing Cloud and S2K Salesforce CRM. When you sign on to the S2K Salesforce application, you'll be brought to a home page. This home page is completely customizable for each sales representative. And one of the nice things about the KPIs that are on this screen is that they're filtered to each specific rep. So when I'm looking at the screen, I am seeing just the customer accounts that I'm assigned to. If I was a sales manager, I would be seeing not only my accounts, but any of the accounts that are assigned to any of the sales representatives that work for me. These are great screens. It allows you to look up customer information. It allows you to look up sales data. You can look up open orders. And you can navigate through the screens to get access to the information that's most important to you. One of the screens that a lot of customers like is the activity screen. And what you'll notice here is one of the new capabilities we offer, which is the integration of marketing data and sales data into the S2K Salesforce application. So not only am I looking up to-dos and tasks here, but I'm seeing if any customers consumed marketing information or if they placed an order in the ERP system. So this is a great capability that we have now in S2K Salesforce to keep your sales reps up to date about everything that's going on with a customer or a prospect. On the customer card, you can see we now provide a complete transaction history for everything that goes on with this customer, whether it be an email that was sent out, a phone call, a task, an event, also marketing activity, as well as sales data are all displayed in the customer activity history screen. So you can see this one page now gives you a 360-degree view of all the activity that's going on with a customer or a prospect. One of the other options in S2K Salesforce is the ability to track leads. And you can see here that one of the nice things we offer is the ability to track the days since last contact. So your sales reps will know, when is the last time that I contacted this sales lead? Or when is the last time I contacted this customer? So that column can be sorted so they can see exactly who they haven't talked to in a long period of time, and then drill into that account to see the full activity on that account. Another application that many of our customers are using is the S2K mobile order entry system. One of the great things about a mobile app is that it allows you to work disconnected from the database, unlike a web app where you need internet access. So on the mobile app, you can work disconnected. So if you have a customer in a remote area, or maybe they're working in a stock room or a basement where they're counting inventory, they can still place an order and then sync up that order once they get an internet connection. Okay? The other nice thing about a mobile app is that it runs local on the device and uses the touch navigation that's built into the phone. And it also serves a single level function where it's easy to use and not a complicated web page that requires complex navigation. So let's take a look at the order entry app. This is a sample of the main menu, and you can see that one of the nice things about the mobile order entry is that it can be given to your sales reps as well as your customers. We've had many customers take this mobile order entry app and brand it with their own logos and publish it out on the Apple Store or Google Play and allow their customers to download this app and have their customers directly place orders through the mobile application. One of the other things you can access on the mobile app is the customer account inquiry screen. From this screen, customers can look up the status of an order, they can look up accounts receivable, and they can even pay their bill right on the mobile app, just like we did earlier in the S2K e-business module. The customer can select their invoices, select how much they want to pay, and when they get to the summary screen, they can choose to pay their invoices via credit card. You must be connected to the internet to process a credit card, but like the e-business module, these modules are completely integrated with the S2K accounts receivable module in the back office ERP system. The next application I'd like to talk about is the S2K warehouse management application. There are tremendous benefits to automating your warehouse. Some of our customers have seen an increase in accuracy of 99% or higher. They've seen a significant reduction in returns, a significant reduction in lost items. They've increased their warehouse throughput from 27 to 47%. They've reduced their warehouse personnel by 10% or higher. They've improved inventory turns, and obviously this has all led to an increase in customer satisfaction. One of the nice things about the new S2K warehouse application is that it allows you to take advantage of the mobile devices that are available today. And these mobile devices are significantly cheaper than the Windows CE devices that were available in the past. This allows customers to automate their warehouse quickly and easily at a much lower cost than they have in the past. One of the benefits of automating your warehouse is that it allows you to see how well your warehouse staff is performing. You'll be able to understand the cost of shipped orders, the cost per box, the cost per line item, and this will give you a great picture of the true distribution cost behind the items that you ship. As you can see here, this is one of our customers using a low-cost mobile device to pick and ship items out of their warehouse. The benefit of doing this is that it gives them analytics as to their picker performance. You can see on this analytics screen we also analyze receiving, physical inventory, cycle counts, put-aways, and order verification capabilities throughout the warehouse management module. The next application I'd like to cover is the S2K supply and demand planning system. Managing inventory during a crisis can be complex, and wide blanket policies covering products don't always work. You never want to say, just decrease my sales by 10% across the board, because you might have some products that will increase and some products that will decrease during this time frame. You might have some customers that might increase sales and some customers that may fall off. So what you want to have is a very effective forecasting system to help you navigate all the fluctuations that you will see in demand. The S2K forecasting system allows you to look at sales in either a weekly or monthly basis. It then takes that historical data and uses advanced formulas to project the usage of the products going forward. The system then allows you to make a manual adjustment to that forecast, either with a percentage or a quantity, to come up with a final adjusted forecast. That data will be compared to your actual sales, and the system will let you know if your adjusted forecast was equal to your actual period sales. What's great about the forecasting module is that it allows you to make specific adjustments at the customer level or at the item level so that you can react to any fluctuations in sales very quickly and easily. The system then rolls up the calculated forecast and all specific adjustments to calculate the forecasted usage and daily average usage for each product. This daily usage is then used in the Purchasing Suggested Manager screen, which allows you to review suggested purchase orders for each vendor. When you drill into each vendor, you will see all the products the system is recommending you to buy. You can see that the system here will show you average usage, days supply, quantity on hand, and make a suggestion based on your current inventory position. Advanced formulas are used to show you exactly how the system calculated the suggested quantity. There are many benefits of using the S2K supply and demand planning system. The system automatically calculates weekly forecasts based on historical data using advanced formulas that analyze seasonality and trends automatically. Users can override the forecast by location, by customer class, by customer division or product class, and sales reps. You can create overstock transfers within the purchasing system, so if you're overstocked in one location, you can choose to transfer the goods rather than purchase them. The system can auto-calculate to buying targets that can help you fill a container. You can also leverage forward buy formulas that let you know if forward buying for a product is a good buy based on carrying cost. You can also split purchase orders into stocking locations as needed. The next area I'd like to cover is S2K Analytics business intelligence software. In today's competitive marketplace, it is imperative that you constantly evaluate the success of the activities in which your business engages in. S2K Analytics software provides your company with both high-level monitoring that focuses on overall performance, as well as low-level monitoring that focuses on departmental metrics. With S2K Analytics, you can measure things like inventory turns, GMROI, customer fill rates, forecasted demand versus actual, warehouse management performance, as well as vendor performance. This is an example of the new and improved health check system. This system provides KPIs that allow you to monitor the health of your business. One of the things that's great about this application is that it allows you to look at these statistics over time, so you can see if your business is getting healthier or sicker. Here is an example of one of the KPIs which allows you to monitor dead stock inventory. You can look at your dead stock inventory and see how that compares to sales data, so you can see if reducing your dead stock inventory has affected your sales performance. One of the new dashboards in CRM is the Customer Analysis Dashboard, where your sales reps can come in and look at the profitability of their customers. They can also analyze the products they're buying by product division, class, and item to see which items are more profitable. One of the areas where we've done significant development is in the financial report writer. With this tool, you can create dynamic financial reports, and right from the reports, you can drill down into the specific data that makes up those numbers. So as you can see, we have done some significant development in the S2K family of products. Many of the applications that I highlighted have become imperative for survival in the new normal. We hope that you take the time to deep dive into these applications by attending some of the educational classes here at the virtual conference. With this exciting technology as the foundation for your business, you will be all set to prevail in 2020 and beyond. Thank you for attending today's general session, and we hope you enjoy the conference.